this from
Stop
wherever to wherever.
Yeah, it's. Oh wait, it's salty EMR. No, not salty. I don't know how to say it.
Salty EMR soybeans.
Saltly EMR GBRF to Liverpool EMR GBRF.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. Total sense.
They both go to EMR GBRF places.
It's not an EMR, is it? Like, no, it's a GBR.
No, it's anything but an EMR.
Why does it say EMR then?
Ooh, this is a good photo.
Is it already?
I got a good photo, yay!
Did you see it?
I'm pleased with myself. No, I did this.
Oh.
And it like focused on that barrier light. Oh, and your head just got in my video.
Oh well, I've got a picture of the barrier. Nope.
What if I get a picture of that barrier plate? I'm pretty sure it'll be pretty good. That's perfect.
You know what I did?
What?
I put my phone on that part of the barrier box over there. That part.
What? This part where it says YO.
Yes.
That's pretty good.
And it was a good shot too, because it actually, well, minus the fact that vehicles ruined it.
Yeah.
The audio, because that could be an audio for road ones.
That could.
Well, the ZN one can be, because you can't even hear any other things.
2 minutes of pure Noose lane.
Is that I'm just thinking. If it is, it definitely is going from that way.
If I do that, that's a pretty good shot. The Samsung's pretty nice.
This is why I love being on the other side when freight trains come through that way, because then you can actually see it in the lights.
Yeah.
Yes.
You might get away out here this time all home. You got plenty of tone beef and loads and loads. That barrier's still over there.
Yeah,
that spare barrier's been there since like 2018. I checked on Google Maps.
I don't know whether it is
Wait, hold on. I want to get a picture of this wigwag.
Wigwag?
Yeah, this one. Oh, you're behind it. You're behind it.
Am I?
Yeah. I don't want to face reveal you.
That old barrier. I don't think it's the spare barrier. I think it was the old barrier. Yeah. I'm gonna see if get around possible if I can get the boom lights off of it.
Oh yeah.
So I can take them.
Yeah. You'll have to go out there, or I might do the same.
Yeah, I mean, I kind of would think about that barrier. Well, I'm not asking for the barrier, but I'm asking for
the boom lights.
Yeah. It'd be pretty nice because I'm building the project myself. Yeah, it's network. But if they are here, then I can ask them in person.
Make sure it doesn't appear. Huh?
Yeah, the grid's faded, but it's been put in.
Yeah, it's already fading. And how long has it been now? Oh, here it is.
It's time for some loud tones if this is a freight train with a loud horn.
Yep. Smells like wood.
Okay,
that smells like pure wood.
To wherever it goes.
That was in a European horn. That was the most European horn I've ever heard. Thank you guys. See you next closure.